Like, bad bitch taste like cherry, kiwi, real big titty, double titties. Mwah. Like, bad bitch taste like cherry, kiwi, real big titty, double titties.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Hello. It's like, I am just getting off of work and I hit up one of my girls and let her know, like, I was craving some country fried chicken. So we about to head over to Cheddar's and go fix my little craving or whatever. And just get out the house and go out to eat and everything. I just figured, I'd bring you guys along with me. If you seen like my previous vlog, then you saw that, like, I've been to Cheddar's before, so we just going right back there. But we just getting something else this time because I don't know why some country fried chicken was just calling my name this morning, and I was like, okay, yeah, that's what we're eating for dinner. So that's where we're finna go. We're starting to show finally, for real, which I'm very happy about. Like, my baby's getting big and he's getting healthy. My next appointment is going to be in March, 2 weeks. So, I feel like I'll more than likely bring you guys along with me for that. Also, it's my lace looking crazy. Anyways, let's go because I'm hungry. So I'm headed to go pick up my girlfriend right now, and then we're going to head to Cheddar's to go get some food. The man just stopped me and asked me how much my rent was. I'm so like, first of all, it's not your business. It's like, no, but I didn't mind answering, I guess, but still, like, that's not your business. But I understood where he was coming from. I guess he's, looking for a new apartment, which, to be honest, I'm looking for a new apartment myself. And I know it's probably not the best time to try to move, especially being pregnant and all, but I don't know, a really big part of me is thinking that I don't want my child to be raised in my current apartment. Like, I want a fresh start and some new energy and everything. So I'm really heavily considering moving if I can find a spot, very soon, and hopefully have some people to help me move, which I don't really have too much to move, like, heavy wise. I feel like the biggest things that I'm concerned about are my couches, my bed, and my washer and dryer. But aside from that, everything else, I don't feel like, it's too heavy to, like, even though I know I'm not supposed to be picking stuff up like that, but I feel like, I can, with some help, I can, handle it and everything.
Mamiana is giving Mamiana.
That's what we is over here. But we're definitely about to see if we can get a mocktail because I want to try that.
Y'all, she not prepared it.
She ain't supposed to have it. Yeah, we're about to get a mocktail. There's no alcohol in there, so we're going to figure out and find out. Just for $1. $1. Croissants, get with it. Sheen. I'm gonna drop the link below for y'all.
Make sure you do that.
Yeah,
for sure.
Cause I got it. They look very natural.
They do.
And they're very secure. I actually had these on for over a week now.
Oh, nice. Okay.
A little over a week, so yeah.
That's what enough to always be like, okay, but they have fried chicken.
But I don't want fried chicken. I want country fried steak.
What's the
or
damn
chicken.
difference? What the hell's that? How country do you want this?
There's country fried chicken. There's fried chicken.
Okay.
There's two different. Like, there's a whole wing or leg, and then there's like, which I was lucky wanting country fried steak. I'm not even gonna hold you, but I don't want to eat no steak. Right. Y'all be going to Cracker Barrel? Let me know if y'all be going to Cracker Barrel,
because I know they got some fries.
If y'all look like me and y'all go to Cracker Barrel,
I know that's right. What's the damn difference?
Because I know y'all be feeling the racist. Like,
that's so crazy. Not you like me. I'm green. And what if they don't? Then what?
Then it's okay for you to go in there.
They have it.
But have it. No.
have it.
They might have it, but they won't have me. Like the veil.
You lost me.
The veil. It's gonna be another Get Out Part 2. Like, just no. No.
What's your rating?
Okay. I'm gonna give it a good 8 out of 10.
An 8?
Yeah, because it needs some liquor. He said the fever gone. The pimple gone. The mood swings a little still there, but it's going away. I'm so fucking skin getting a little clear.
I like this.
Not the blue.
I like that. For real. It got some potential.
I'm here for the red. And my mama, I'm sorry. Guys, today was a pretty dope day. It was good to get out of the house. Like, that's just what I really needed, was to get out of the house. But now I'm about to go back home and lay down and eat my popsicles that I got, because y'all know I need my popsicles right now. Mama needs her popsicles. And watch this Avatar live series. Like, have you guys been watching that? Because I've been watching it, and I don't feel like I've really seen like too many bad reviews, but I really like it so far. Like, you know, they've really been doing their thing. Like, it doesn't look bad and everything. Like, I was a big Avatar fan when I was a little kid, so like everything looks like how it did, like but live action. So, you know, yeah, we're about to watch that. Like, I literally be sitting there like, okay, one more episode, but I need to be going to bed. But since I'm off tomorrow, which is perfect, I can watch as many episodes as I want and go to bed when I want. And then tomorrow I'm going to be going to get my toes done with my sister, and I'll bring you guys along with me with that also. But yeah, good night, y'all. Yeah, we're about to ride out somewhere, go out of town and get something to eat, because I just wanted to get out the house and ride out and go get something to eat. I really want some soul food right now. This baby wants soul food. I want some cabbage. I want some mac and cheese, for real, for real. I want some fried fish, but I'm down for whatever, just because I'm just trying to get out the house, you feel me? So yeah, that's what we're doing. Our destination. We had to pay for parking. We're about to see if we can cut through between these buildings. It looks like a movie, like when bad shit happens. Because you were in front of me, bitch. You died first. Let you check in the corners. Okay, we made it. Doing too much. Yes. We're about to eat. I don't even know where we're going. I just told her to send me a location, and you know, we're just gonna pull up somewhere. So we're about to figure out where we're going. Ordered the same thing, but it's a burger. What it got on it? It got some jam. It got some we did. We got the rebellion burger.
No, I got the burger,
Yeah, isn't that the same thing? You didn't get a burger? Sorry, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, no, we didn't order the same thing. She got a turkey sandwich. I got a burger. And it got some like type of bacon jam mess on it that I'm just like kind of curious about. So I hope it tastes good. And yeah, we're gonna see.
A little drinky drink.
Yeah, she got her little tequila.
Yeah.
She gonna drink for me.
Tequila, yeah.
You know.
Tequila, yeah.
Go ahead, take a little sippy sip.
You know, sit, brother. Go.
Like, would you quit it? Alright, food was good as fuck. This bitch chose a very dope place.
I did my big
Very
one
good
for
place to
sure.
eat. Fuck that burger up in like 10 minutes. Swear to God.
You
Not
did.
bullshitting.
You definitely.
Not bullshit.
No bullshit. You fucked that shit up.
Not bullshit at all. Now we about to make a little drivey drive home.
Yes, I'm sunny.
I am on my way home. I had a good time tonight, just getting out and enjoying myself and everything. I want to say thank y'all so much for watching and tuning into this vlog. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below and interact with me and follow me on my socials. Alright, so I'll have them linked down below for y'all. I am closing this vlog out, so see y'all.